Hey there, in this video I'll be showing you how to find the complex root of a quadratic equation. Here you have your quadratic expression, and as you should probably already know, a quadratic equation will have complex roots if its determinant is less than 0. The determinant is b squared minus 4ac using the variables from here. And if a quadratic equation has complex roots, there will always be two complex roots only. It cannot be less and it cannot be more. And the complex roots always follow this expression. It will always be x plus minus I being the imaginary number of square root of negative 1. So you will have two. One is x minus yi, and the other one being x plus yi. Now, how do you find the complex roots? You could, of course, just simply key in your equation into your calculator to find it instantly. But if you have to find it manually, then you have to use the quadratic formula, which is x equals to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, which is the determinant, divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Now, let me show you some examples. Take x squared plus x plus 2, and you can try to find the answer yourself, or you can just follow along as I solve it. So you use this equation, this formula, x equals to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4, a is 1, so I'm not going to write that, and c, and then square root, divided by 2a. Then simplifying it, one minus 8 is negative 7. As you can see here, you should know that you cannot square root a negative number, so here is where we put in the imaginary number. We write negative 1 over 2 plus minus the square root of 7 over 2i. And this is your answer. Depending on how your teacher wants it or the answer scheme, you may have to write it as negative 1 over 2 minus square root of 7 over 2i, comma, negative 1 over 2 plus square root of 7 over 2i, instead of using the plus minus sign like this. And that's for this example. And let me show you one more. Take x squared minus 6x plus 10. And as just now, you can try to solve it or follow along as I solve it. So x equals to negative b, which is a positive 6, plus minus b squared is 36, minus 4, a is 1, so I'm not going to write that, and c is 10. And then I square root this, divided by 2a. And simplifying it, we get 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 3 plus minus 36 minus 40 is negative 4. Square root of negative 4 over 2. Then now we put in the imaginary number here. It will be 3 plus minus square root of 4 over 2i. And simplifying it further, square root of 4 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So your answer will be 3 plus minus I. And that's how you find the imaginary roots. Thank you for watching, and that's all I have.